It is an absolute travesty that children, especially in the Scandinavian countries, have paid for school lunches that are equivalent to either a $32 to a $42 lunch or dinner that an American would have. And when I say it is a travesty, it's because all of this is paid for in foreign aid through the American taxpayer. And it is an absolute travesty, especially when we can't feed and house our own. And our children are running through the streets, high on drugs, dying in alleys. And these countries, their quality of life is far superior. And it's all because they get foreign aid from us. And I just think that's an absolute travesty. For those that want the universal health care, Obamacare, some want to call it, you could have it tomorrow and many other programs. All you have to do is stop foreign aid to countries that do not need it. These countries, they're big boys and girls now. They can take care of themselves. They do not need us to wet nurse them. And, we used to fund ourselves, our country, through a national sales tax. And, the year after the Titanic sank, which is when I really think that the global society really started to fall, is the Federal Reserve and the IRS were established in 1913. And all it was is a scam for the wealthy bankers to give their rich brat kids work to do and control the finances so that they would be the ones at the reins of the country. And the national sales tax does away with all of that crap. For example, how many millions of daily transactions, everything from somebody buying a pack of cigarettes to 2 carts of groceries or a skyscraper on Fifth Avenue in New York. And if you just added just 25 cents to each individual transaction, just think of the amount of money that would not only come daily, but 365 days a year. And all of these things that people want would be paid for. You could have affordable housing. You could have health care. And you could do away with the income tax services in both the federal and state. You wouldn't have that dragging on you because everything would be done like it was done before, through the national sales tax, tariffs, export, import duties, the whole lot of it. So anyway, it's just an absolute travesty that this kind of thing cannot be explored. You are never going to do away with the Internal Revenue Service or the tax code. There are too many people that have lobbyists in Congress that make money from that tax code existing for that to be taken away, because if it's taken away, who doesn't get any money? The CPAs. There's no tax code for them to figure out. So that's never going to be resolved. It's a scam. It's always been a scam. And again, it's just an absolute travesty that this is allowed to go on.